Welcome student, this is second video of chapter 9 linear equation in one variable. So continue the video 1. So exercise 9a question number 4, solve each of the following equation by trial and error method. Trial and error means हम try करेंगे, error आएगा फिर से try करेंगे. And same as question number 3. In question number 3 we had given the value of variable, but in this we have to find out the value of variable such that two equations become equal. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So first part, y plus 9 equal to 13. Easy method is to draw a table. 5 plus 9 equal to 13. Variable is y. Left hand side is y plus 9. Right hand side is 13. If we put y 1. 1 plus 9, 10 equal to 13. 2 plus 9, y is 2. 2 plus 9, right hand side is 13. But 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 plus 9 is 12. But right hand side is 13. If we put y 4, 4 plus 9 is 13. And right hand side is also 13. Therefore, the value of the solution of equation is y equal to 4. This is the solution. Okay. Next is 3y equal to 36. We have to put the value of y, and that depends on you, whatever value you put. So we have to multiply 3 and y, and we have to get 36. So put y is y, left hand side and right hand side. Y, I am putting 10, then 10 into 3, 30, and right hand side is 36. 11, 3 into 11, multiplication is commutative. 33, but right hand side is 36. 12, 3 into 12, 36. Right hand side is also 36. Therefore, y is equal to 12 is the solution. आप ये भी लिख सकते हो. Next is 1/2 x. Right hand side. In place of x, put 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Better we put the multiple of 2 such that it become easy to divide. Okay. So x 4. 1/2, 4 plus 7 is 9. Right hand side is 11. Put 6. 1/2 into 6 plus 7 is 10. 8. 1/2 into 8 plus 7 is 11. Therefore, x equal to 8 is the solution. Next is z minus 3 equal to 2z. Variable is z, left hand side and right hand side. Z 3. In place of z, put 1. Put z is equal to 1. Then left hand side z minus 3. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. And right hand side 2 into 1 minus 5 minus 3. Put z equal to 2. Then 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. 2 into 2 minus 5 is minus 1. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, z equal to 2 is the solution. The last question of exercise 9a. So moves to exercise 9b. Next exercise 9b. In this also you have to solve the equation and then verify it that you have solved it right or wrong. It's left hand side equal to right hand side. So first of all you have to find out this value of this variable and then put that value on left hand side and right hand side You make it equal. You can find the value of x by any method. First of all, I'm doing here transposing method, means x plus 5 equal to 12. And if we move a number from left hand side to right hand side, its operations are also changed. It is added, will be subtracted. So x equal to 7 is the solution. Now check it. हम इसको चेक करेंगे. Check how left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is x plus 5 and right hand side is 12. X value 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. Means in this we have to find the value of variable and then check it by putting the value in left hand and right hand and make both equal, then verify. Fourth question, x minus 2 equal to minus 5. Same, x minus 5 is on right hand side, but we have to change the position of minus 2, then it will become plus 2. Now remember the integer, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So value of x is minus 3. Now check it, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is x minus 2, right hand side is minus 5. X minus 2, x is minus 3, minus 2. Minus 5 equal to minus 5. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. This line is compulsory to write down. Then seventh question, x upon 5 is equal to 12. Here 5 is the divided. Then if we move it here, then it will be multiply. Okay. X to the divisor, it become only again 60. X is 60. Then check left hand side and right hand side. It's easy to check it. You have to just put the value of this variable on the given equation. Equal, then left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. This compulsory to write down that, hence verified. Seventh question, then I'm doing here. 10th question, 10th is 2x minus, what is written here, 1 by 2 equal to 3. We have to find the value of this variable. So first we move this constant term here, and here it is subtracted. It will be added on right hand side. Fraction we will add by taking LCM. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 2x equal to 7 by 2. Now 2 is multiplied here. Then it will be divided here. 7 upon 4. Value of x is 7 upon 4. Now check it. Left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side is 3. Left hand side is 2x minus 1 by 2. In place of x, we will put 7 by 4. 14 by 4, or you can cancel out these two. You can 12 by 4 or 3, and right hand side is also 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified is the answer. This is the question number 10th. Next question, 6x plus 5 equal to 2x plus 17. 6x, collect the variable term one side and the constant term other side. 6x, same position, same side. We are moving 2x here. It is added, then it will be subtracted here. 17 on side, then 5, move to 5 here, then minus 5. Like term will be subtracted. 12, then x equal to 12 divided 3. X is equal to 3. Now check it. Left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is 6x plus 5. Right hand side is 2x plus 17. In place of x, we have to put 3. Then 6 into 3 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. Left hand side is 23. And let's check. Right hand side is 6 plus 17, also 23. It means our solution is right. Our value of variable is right. Hence verified. No need to check your answer that this value is right or wrong. Because if left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means it is right. 12th, after this I am doing here 14th question. Subtraction x by 2, x by 3 plus 1. Collect the variable terms one side. Leave constant here. Fraction, we will take the LCM is 6. 2 3s are 3x. 3 2s are 2x. 1. 1x by 6, 1. And x equal to 6 into 1, 6. So x is 6. Now check left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is x by 2. We have to put the value in question, not in this solution. This left hand side is x by 2 only, and right hand side is x by 3 plus 1. X is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 6 by 3 plus 1. 6 by 3 is 2 plus 1, 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Okay, this is the 14th question. Okay, that's all for this video. We continue the exercise in third video. Till then, stay home and keep learning.